Hi.
How's your day going so far?
Amazing, lot of sessions and full of energy sessions, I must say. So it's a really good opportunity for us to learn from the other leaders of the industry, especially coming from the PSU backgrounds. Niti Aayog is here. So many folks from the PSU sector, HPCL, BPCL, IOCL are here. It's amazing to listen to them, listen to their thought process, listen to their vision of the new India, the green India. It's amazing.
That's great to hear. And can you introduce yourself and your company?
So I am Abhimanyu Bansal and I head the energy and bitumen business for Mowgli Labs India Private Limited. Mowgli is a company which was formed in 2015. Our founder is Mr. Rahul Garg, and one of our initial investors in his personal capacity is Mr. Ratan Tata himself. We started off as a B2B e-commerce platform, but now as per the industry needs, we quickly adapted and started focusing into the manufacturing and technology part of business. So we have today a lot of manufacturing units associated with us. We are into packaging, we are into fabrication, we are into bitumen processing. We are coming up with our own bio-briquettes, pellets, plants for the NTPC thermal power industry of India. So a lot of manufacturing domain has been attached into our portfolio. While we do act as a supply chain partner, a e-commerce partner for big brands, we are into a lot of enterprise solutions also. That is the bread and butter business for us. We are associated with more than 4,000 manufacturing companies across India. We are the single source procurement partners for them. We offer them procurement solutions. We do rate contracts of a lot of line items. We manage the line items. We manage their stores. We give them third-party warehouses, those kind of services. The portfolio that I am associated with is more related to the infra sector of India, particularly the flexible pavements, the road sector. Apart from that, I head the biofuel division and solar division of the company.
That is a wide array of services that you deal in. I feel like we might need a longer list or a lot more time to sit and deal with each topic. And are you working currently on any new projects?
Yes, we are coming up with one of the, most advanced technology plants of bitumen processing in India. It would be located in north of India, to be precise in 𝐷𝐶. So it would be a plant wherein the entire bitumen processing would happen in a sustainable manner using biomass as the feedstock for our boilers. And the capacity of the plant would be such that all the projects which would be coming in the vicinity of 𝐷𝐶, 700 to 800 kilometers, they would be easily served. Our entire intention of putting up this plant is to bring the best quality bitumen, value-added bitumen for the EPC side of customers, for the new private private players who have taken a lot of road projects, the 𝐓𝐚𝐥𝐤𝐬, for example, Cube Highways is there. Then there is Highway Infrastructure Trust of India. L&T is there. There are a lot of 𝐓𝐚𝐥𝐤s today which have come into picture, and the privatization of the highway sector is happening. So we see the entire customer segment into two buckets. We have identified them into two buckets. One is the private sector, which actually is more concerned about quality product and a maintenance-free package of the highway, because they are earning from the highway. They're collecting tolls, and anything that goes into maintenance is going out of their pockets. The second set of customers are the EPC players.
Okay.
So we want to deliver cost-effective, sustainable, and best quality value-added products to them also. This is one of the new initiatives that we have taken. We have also entered into the preventive maintenance space of the road infra. We have our own micro-surfacing paver, and we intend on increasing our own microsurfacing pavers fleet to at least 4 or 5 in the near future. Doing a lot of preventive maintenance work for the EPC and infra players of the country and the government departments. Apart from that, in solar and in biofuels, especially in biofuels, we see that this space is very unorganized and there's a lot of potential in the biofuel sector of India. So we are working on a lot of technologies, particularly pyrolysis, to see how biobitumen can be made through pyrolysis from various feedstocks. We are working on biochar through pyrolysis. What kind of feedstocks can we select, to get the best biochar, which is like, there are a lot of biochar available in the market. Some have different properties. They are more suitable towards being used as fertilizers and for carbon sequestration. But then there are biochar which is derived from, say, particular source, say wood. It has its special applications in the steel sector where it can contribute as a replacement to coke, and it can also contribute in the green steel, which we today talk. The European Union is there. They are talking about the exports of green steel from India to the Europe market. So it would play a very big role. Biochar I see has a very big potential in the market. So we are working on technologies like pyrolysis. We are working on technologies like torrefaction. We are planning to come up as a product provider to NTPC and thermal power plants, both PSUs and the private sector. For that also. So biomass, there's a lot of technology which needs to be there, needs to be introduced by the private sector. We are very much involved. We have our own R&D facility in Noida, and we don't shy away from spending on any R&D-led initiatives which can contribute to a Viksit Bharat, a cleaner, greener country for everybody.
That's great to hear, and wishing you all the best for your endeavor.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And I'm looking forward to seeing more of your technology out there. So
Yes.
To learn more about it also
Thank
as
you.
well.
Thank you.
And my final question to you is, could you give a short feedback on the conference?
I think that, say, the idea of this conference to bring so many stakeholders together under one roof is amazing. It's the need of the hour. Unless and until companies like yours, they are indeed, contributing a lot in a different manner by bringing all the stakeholders here. So many minds under one roof. They interact, they share their ideas, they present so many case studies, they talk about the future technologies. We get a chance to meet and greet so many different stakeholders with, otherwise we would have gone, to different places to get connected with so many people. It's really amazing that you get that kind of opportunity here, and I think that Fuels of the Future is the right pitch today, is the right subject to be talked about today, because it's not only a subject, but it's a subject which affects the life of millions of people here in India. And India as a country is really at a stage where the transition from the conventional fuels to the green fuels, to the bio-derived fuels, to maybe the solar power, that transition into the renewable sector is still, the momentum is there, and the momentum needs to be more and more for us to progress and reach our net zero vision of 2070, or maybe our renewable goals of 2030, which is to have a portfolio of more than 500 gigawatts combined of wind and solar. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for us to be here.
That's great to hear, and thank you so much for your time. I'm looking forward to your presentation.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And I
Thank
will
you.
be there to see it. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.